Hello everybody. So for this video, we are going to talk about another method of solving the solid of revolution using the washer method. Last time we talked about the the circular disc, and this time we actually want to solve a washer-like figure. Okay, what does a washer look like? So a washer is um, okay, so a circle inside a circle, assuming these are circles. So basically, the cross section is the difference between the areas of the two circles. So uh, the 3D figure like something like this, and we have something like that. Okay, so we have the area and of course the thickness of the washer. Okay, so how do we find for the volume of the washer? So if we go back to our solid mensuration, the volume of the washer is equal to the area of the section, and the area of the section is just the difference between the areas of the two circles. Okay, so suppose the bigger circle has a radius of capital R, okay, and the smaller is has a radius of this small letter r. So the volume therefore is pi r squared minus pi r squared. So this is the difference of the two areas multiplied by the thickness. Okay? Multiplied by the thickness of the washer. Okay, so how do we do this using the integral calculus? Okay, so the washer method will be used kapag yung ating axis ay malayo, okay, merong gap from our rectangular element. Okay. Suppose meron tayong given area bounded by two curves, something like that. And this is the area we want. So from x equals a to x equals b, nandito yung region natin. And this region is away from our axis of rotation. Medyo malayo siya. So ibig sabihin, if we rotate this rectangular element, if we rotate that rectangular element about the x-axis, magkakaroon tayo ng washer. Okay? Yung washer na yan, ang radius ng... Okay, so we can draw a washer. Yan. So, nandito sa gitna, no, yung axis of rotation natin. Okay? We rotate this one. Yung rectangular element natin nandito. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin nito, the radius, the outer radius of the washer is actually the upper Y, itong mas malayo na Y. Okay, so meron tayong Y upper for this one. Okay, and then yung radius natin na mas maliit is actually the Y lower. Okay. So in this case, the volume of the rectangular element when rotated about the x-axis, our differential volume is equal to pi y upper squared, pi r squared minus y lower squared, di ba? Kasi pi r squared minus pi r squared, yan. And then multiplied by the thickness, our thickness here is dx. Okay? So, dx. So, para makompute natin yung volume, we should get the integral of whatever this is, pi y upper squared minus y lower squared dx, where your x ranges from a to b. Okay, this is our formula when our rectangular element is vertical, may y upper, y lower. Pero kapag ano siya, kapag horizontal yung rectangular element natin, magiging x right squared minus x left squared dy naman. Okay? So in the next video, we are going to have an example using this formula.